So I have my foundation in front of me. So the first product that I will use is a new product, by the way, because I want to just test it out. Maybe it will be like a mini review, first impression kind of a thing. So this one is the Essence Loose Powder, and this is a newly launched product. And this is what the product looks like. I just hate, I don't know, first, like, look at that. So bad just because of that sticker. Shade of this product is 20 Nude, and I think they have only 2 shades for now, like 2 shades available on Nykaa or Myntra if you'll see anywhere. One is fair and one is nude, so I just thought of picking up the nude one. Cost for rupees 475, which I think is like okay, it's affordable as a loose powder, and you're getting like the amount of the product is quite good as well. I haven't even opened the product. I will do it in front of you all. Okay, this is what it looks like. Of course, it's a loose translucent powder, and the shade, this nude shade, is like quite yellowish, which I personally love, and I think the shade will match me pretty well. Okay, so here I have it. I have my powder brush in front of me. I am going to just saturate my brush really well. This is a really important step whenever you are powdering face with a powder brush. Always make sure to saturate your brush really well. What is that? You have to just take the brush and just do something like this, so that every single corner of your brush will have the powder, and it will be easier for you to use it all over your face as well. I zoomed you guys in, so as you guys can see, I don't have any powder on my face. I have some foundation, so I'm just going to set first this area. Okay, I can definitely feel that it is very lightweight. It just gave me that very smooth blurred out effect. I really love that. Look at that. This is my face without the powder, and this is my face with the powder. Definitely it is mattifying. So it mattified my skin a little bit like this, but still you can see, somehow you can see a glow. So that means it is not extremely mattifying for your skin, but this is my face without any powder. So I think it is pretty good. I'm gonna take a little bit more and set this side of my face. I love how lightweight this powder is. Like, I do not ever powder my entire face, but with this I am like loving how I'm powdering my entire face and setting it really well. You guys in. Look at this area of my face, like see how blurred out it looks. After using the foundation, my skin was not looking like this, but now it just instantly gave me that blurred out finish. The new product, which is this one. This is not a new product. This is like new for me because this is the first time I purchased it. This one is the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner, they say, and it says that this is a waterproof matte finish eyeliner. It costs for rupees 295, which is 300 rupees, and this is a 3 ml product. Looks very cute, and I don't have any eyeliner, as you guys can already see. I am going to use this right now, and let's see how this works. So this is what the tip of this liner looks like. Yeah, quite good. I'm not actually very pro at using this type of liner, but if this is matte, if this is good, actually waterproof and smudge proof, then why not? Definitely I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so this is what the liner looks like. You can probably see it is not looking good, but I don't know, I don't think I love this product. Like, I have eyeliner which works much better than this. I'm not talking about how the tip works. The tip works pretty fine, but the formula, I don't know. I will say I have to try out this product more, and then only I will like somehow understand how they actually feel about this product. The two products from Essence, and if you ask me which one is your like one single Essence product, Essence mascara. Nothing can beat a good Essence mascara. There are so many, by the way. This one I have is a one Essence Lash Princess mascara, and one is Essence Volume Stylist mascara. They have so many other variety as well. I love their Lash Princess mascara. They actually look so good, and actually this one is kind of like that lengthening mascara, and this one is a volume mascara. If you want some kind of volume, this is a great mascara, but I love this one. I will highly recommend you to purchase this particular one. This one is Essence Lash Princess. Again, such a beautiful product. If you are like me, if you have eyelash like me, I don't have that much eyelash volume, so I struggle with a good mascara a lot. So I think this is a good product for those of you who have lashes like me. I love using this product, especially if I'm going out somewhere for my everyday makeup. This is my absolute favorite. Okay, the next product is this one right over here, and this is what it looks like. This is also a new product. This is Essence The Blush. That's it, that's the name, and this is in the shade 20. But I mean, this is not a blush. I don't think this is a blush. Look at that. I don't think the color is a blush color. Works. Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is such a beautiful product. I was not expecting this. I actually was wearing a bit of blush, but was a matte blush. This is so good. This is such a natural looking, you know, those products where you can just use that on your face. It will give you that very natural looking effect and still make your face glow This is a product like that. It just, look at my face. It is not shimmery at all. Like, I cannot see any shimmer particles or glitters on my face, something like which I don't like on my face. It is just pure, giving me a beautiful like sheen to my skin. This product I have is this one. This is also a newly launched product. This one is the Essence 18-Hour Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is their newly launched product. I think they launched 5 shades or 4 shades maybe, and this is a 3 ml product, and I got this in the shade, of course there's a red color, but the shade name is I Dare You, and I am going to wear this and let's see how it feels and how it looks on my lips. Oh wow, it contains a very chemically kind of a smell. Yeah, I don't like the smell. I don't know what to say. The color is so pretty. I just don't want to say anything bad about this lip color, because you guys know maybe the formula is bad, maybe the lipstick is very drying, maybe something like that, but if the color is good, the lipstick is good. Okay, anyways, this is what the color I Dare You looks like. I got my Christmas red lipstick. This is such a beautiful color, guys. And when I was applying it, it is very pigmented. It applied on my lips really beautifully and it was feeling very comfortable, but it is not a comfortable lipstick. It is like a typical liquid matte lipstick, and it is very, very matte, and my mouth feels very dry right now. Of course, this is transfer proof and it is very matte. So I think this lipstick, I will add this to my favorites list. I can't help. But if you are someone who do not love the feeling of a liquid lipstick, like a drying liquid lipstick, this is not for you. Maybe you can use it some lip balm and then use this particular color. Maybe that will work well. If you want me to do any other brand, you can definitely comment down below. That's it for today's video, guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Every product link will be in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.